In this video, we're going to review how to graph a system of equations when both are in standard form using the x and y intercept. So on the left side, we're going to go ahead and do a plus c equals 9. So we're going to find the x and y intercept. So my x-intercept is when it hits my x-axis, which is the adult tickets. So that tells me my c, which is also equal to my y, is 0. So now I say a plus 0 equals 9 because c is 0. So that tells me that a is 9, which is the point 9, 0. Now I'm going to go ahead and find my y-intercept. My y-intercept for this equation is since I already found when c is 0 is going to be when a is 0, which is also my x value. So that means now it's going to be 0 plus c equals 9, and so c equals 9, which is the point 0, 9. Now, I can go ahead and graph this equation using those two intercepts. So first I'm going to graph my x-intercept, which is at 9, 0, and then my y-intercept, which is at 0, 9. Now, I'm going to go ahead and connect those 2 points. On the pear deck, I would go ahead and use the line tool. Now, I'm going to go ahead and switch colors to blue. Okay, and so now we're going to do the same thing to 10a plus c. Okay, so first we're going to find the x-intercept, which remember we already said is when c equals 0. So that's 10a plus 8 times 0 equals 76. So 10a equals 76. Divide by 10. And I get a equals 7.6. which is the point 7.6, 0. Now, the other side of this equation is my y-intercept, which I'll do right here. My y-intercept, remember, that is when a equals 0. So that's 10 times 0. Plus 8c equals 76. 8c equals 76 divided by 8. And so I get c equals 9.5. So c equals 9.5, which is the point 0, 9.5. Okay. So now I'm going to go ahead and graph these two. So I'm going to go to 0.9.5, and then I'm going to go to 7.6, 0, which is a little bit more than halfway. And so there are my 2 points. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and make the line between these 2 points. Whoops. Sorry, wrong color. So now I go ahead and identify my solution, which is right here. And so my solution is 2, 7. And so that is how I graph 2 equations in a standard form using my x and y intercepts.